Looking for some DIY garden bed projects to personalize your oasis? Embracing the importance of a unique garden space, we're going to explore the top 5 DIY garden bed projects. These are easy, transformative, and perfect for your personal paradise. Get ready to bring out your inner gardener with these DIY projects. Our first DIY project is a raised wooden garden bed. Begin with repurposed wood for an eco-friendly touch. Construct a square or rectangle, secure the corners, then fill it with a rich soil mix. This raised wooden bed is not just functional, it's also a charming addition to your garden. Next up is the cinder block garden bed. A wonderful blend of durability and versatility, this garden bed is built using cinder blocks. It's a project that's as easy as stacking blocks, and the result is a sturdy and stylish garden feature. Let's move on to our third and fourth projects, the pallet garden bed and an in-ground garden bed. The pallet garden bed is as simple as disassembling a pallet, arranging the planks, and filling it with soil. The in-ground garden bed, on the other hand, requires a bit of elbow grease as you'll need to dig a hole, but the result is a natural, cost-effective garden bed. These projects are proof that with a little creativity, you can create stunning garden beds on a budget. Finally, we have the galvanized trough garden bed. This project begins with a sturdy galvanized trough. After drilling some drainage holes, fill it with a mix of compost, soil, and perlite for an optimal growing environment. The metal of the trough offers a sleek industrial look, contrasting beautifully with the lush greenery that it will house. It's also a great way to repurpose an old trough you might have laying around. This galvanized trough garden bed is a fun and quirky addition to any garden. Now that you've got these top 5 DIY garden bed projects, it's time to turn your garden into your own personal oasis. Revel in the creativity and cost-effectiveness these projects offer, adding a personal touch to your green haven. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.